Really quick, I gotta make Bobby's meals for tomorrow. Bobby made some delicious jambalaya this weekend. I will put a link on the top of him making it. Get that out of the way. This is smoked Orks sausage. Smoked Orks jalapeno and cheese sausage. And rice. We're gonna do a video soon on how to, well, I already have videos on how to do the Ork sausage. I can link that too. But we'll do a video on how to make the jambalaya. Okay. Went a little overkill on the foil there. There's lunch. Then, so for Bobby's breakfast, I normally measure this out, but it's almost gone and needs to be used. So I think it's about 1/4 cup of yogurt. This is, I don't know, Greek yogurt, vanilla flavored. About 1/4 cup, which is about what I got. Dump that in there. And I usually like to use fresh fruit. But because we went out of town on the weekend, he might be a little heavy on the yogurt here, but I don't have enough 2 servings. I don't want to waste it, so it's getting used. Anyway, I don't have any fresh fruit, so I have sugar-free with extra fiber orange preserves. That's gonna go in there, and he's gonna love it. Just do a little mixy mix. And then my favorite part of making Bobby's meals is after I'm done mixing, I lick the spoon before I wash it. Now these really cool, I love these containers. These are by Rubbermaid. So it's got all that's down there. And then granola. I can put all of this in the fridge and not worry about the granola getting soggy. Add it in the morning when he wants it. About a serving, and then some slivered almonds. He's got to have some fat. Some slivered almonds. So he'll just take that out, dump it in there, mix it up, eat it, yum, done. Easy, easy breakfast. And for one snack, he gets 1 ounce of cheese. This is low fat string cheese and 4 regular crackers. And with that, he will eat anywhere from 4 to 6 almonds or peanuts. And I will link a video on how I make regular peanuts, spicy